going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So we are installing our carbon fiber front lip on the Lexus RCF, and for this whole video, for some reason my camera audio cut out, so I'll be doing a voiceover. So if my mouth doesn't match my words, that's why. But here's my 2017 Lexus RCF. I daily drive the car, and since I haven't got parts for it, I haven't showed it for a while. But we are throwing on the carbon fiber front lip today. I'm really excited. So that's what's in this box. So here's the carbon fiber front lip. If you guys are wondering, this is a G-style front lip that I picked up off eBay, carbon fiber weave. I have a separate unboxing video if you want to check that out. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to jack up the car, put it on jack stands, and it's going to be a lot easier. Should be just a couple of 10mm bolts or clips just holding the undercarriage in place, and then we'll bolt it right on. So what we have here is the front lip. Looks pretty good. This is meant for the Lexus RCF. So if you have a RC350, RC200T, I don't think it'll fit. A couple holes already pre-drilled, so hopefully the install is not going to be too hard. We should just line up the holes. So let's see. So we do have 10mm bolts holding the undercarriage to the front bumper. I can see a couple of scrape marks. So I went ahead and just, got some extra 10mm bolts. So now we're just gonna remove all the 10mm bolts. Like I said, 10mm bolts just attach the undercarriage to the front bumper of the car. So there's a few of them. I want to say, I think about 7. All 10mm. That's the only tool that you need. Alright, so now that you remove all the 10mm bolts, we can go ahead and slap on the new front lip. So it should be a pretty easy install. And if you have a second or third person to help you out, that's great. But if you don't, like myself, I just put some, you can use boxes, you can use whatever, just to prop that one side. We pretty much have the front lip attached. It's better work from the side first and work your way towards the middle. Fitment is a little questionable. Seems like there are some gaps on the side. So I line up all the bolts. And I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be with the little gaps on the side. Is that the style? But I don't like that gap. So like I said, with off-the-market parts, especially from eBay, sometimes fitment could be an issue. I lined up all the bolts, but there's a pretty big gap on the side. So yeah, we'll see what we can do. It feels a little flimsy, so I definitely don't want this falling off the highway. I might use some zip ties or self-tappers. So what I did was self-tappers and zip ties is going to make it a lot better. Like I said, I don't want it flimsy. I drive on the highway every day to work, and definitely don't want my front lip falling off. So now I put a bunch of self-tappers underneath. Some parts on the side where it was really loose right here, I put 10mm bolts with bolt and nuts just so it's nice and firm. I'm pretty happy how it is. So one side's done, this side's obviously not done yet. Huge gap. So with fiberglass, you can kind of see the gap closes whenever we have to self-tap. So everything is all done. Like I said, I put Quite a few self-tapping screws underneath. Close the gap. You can't just rely on whatever holes are pre-drilled, so a lot better. Fitment's a lot better. Both sides look pretty good. Pretty happy. Way more sturdy. I put probably about 5 self-tapping screws. So I think we have about 7 10 mil bolts with the 5 self-tappers on the corners, just because, you know, I don't want it to be flimsy and fall off. I also put 10 mil bolts with nuts just to make sure it's nice and tight. But that's how it is with most aftermarket stuff, especially if you get cheaper stuff off eBay. All in all, I think it looks great. Again, this is the G-style front lip, carbon fiber front lip I got off eBay. Picked it up for about $550, I think. If you want to get, you know, a name brand like Varius or Voltex, parts like that, fitment usually is a lot better. But, you know, with the RCF platform, I want to say a name brand front lip probably costs you about $1,000 or $1,500 US. So it's quite a bit more. I just wanted it for the aesthetic. This is not going to be a show car or anything like that. So I think it looks a lot better than stock. And this is something that's probably going to scrape on the ground. So all in all, pretty happy with how it looks. What do you guys think? I think it changes up the front end of the car. Front lip always makes it look so much better. So leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next one.